आज जी गाइस चलते हैं, हीरो को पिक करते हैं। हीरा को भी नहीं पता कि आज मैं जल्दी आऊँगा या देर से आऊँगा, बट आज मैं थोड़ा जल्दी आ गया हूँ। अभी देखो हीरा क्या कर रही है, बेल प्रेस कर रही है। देखो आज कौन निकलता है। ये एक आया बच्चा, उससे मुझे पहचान लिया कि हीरा का जगह है। हीरा आई थी अभी, ये जानबूझ के गिरा नहीं था असल में। ये हीरा का आई है, फिर टीचर आई है। टीचर ने इससे पूछा है कि ये तुम्हारे डैड है, तो हीरा कहती हाँ मैं ना पाया। फिर टीचर से अलाउ करिए। टीचर ने हीरा को बैग पहना दिए और कुमअप्समिदा दे कुमअप्समिदा समथिंग दे। मैंने टीचर को इधर से कह दिया शुक्रिया क्योंकि उसने से बैग पहनाया है। व्हाट हैपेंड, व्हाई यू आर एंग्री? What?
She got a tour. I got the dinosaur.
आज जो है ना हमने प्रॉमिस किया है कि tomorrow we will wake up early, right, Ira? Then you will wake up early?
Because my dad didn't wake me up.
Ira?
Because my dad didn't wake me up early, and I didn't go to dinosaur, and everybody else did.
You didn't get dinosaurs, not got, okay? Well, do you have dinosaurs at home?
But over here I have one, and there came with two.
Okay, I will buy you. And you know why
But
your
they
teacher
want
didn't
me
give you? She told me if she comes early, tomorrow if you come early, then she will give you. Okay?
But how can they know if there's any more? If there was more, they would give me then earlier.
Oh, that can be a point.
I don't
Oh,
wanna go
what
to
happened? This?
school
Why are you
now.
throwing things, beta? Is it good to throw
I
things?
don't want to go to school now.
Yeah, right now you are not going school.
I don't want to go to school again now.
That's bad.
Because I didn't go to anything from school.
Okay, if you don't go, that's fine. It's your own decision. If you don't go, then you will not be educated one. You will not get any present. Maybe if you go in future, you will get more, and you can win more presents. If you don't go, then you will have no chance even. If you go, then you at least have chances to meet requirement and to get prize.
I will never get to get the prize and everybody else did. Nobody got the prize at all.
No, beta. They that is their own hard work. इधर ना करो, ऐसे ना करो, वो गिर जाएगा ना, खराब खुल जाएगा ना, करो चीजें अंदर से निकल आएंगी। इधर when we came, it was raining in the daytime or not?
Not.
Now it is raining.
No. Not a single.
Then what is coming on the glass front screen? What is coming? This
Just
one?
wind.
This is wind. Wind is looking like water. Is it wind drops or the rain drops?
Wind drops.
Wind. Okay, I do not know that wind can be like this. Look, guys, is it wind or rain?
It's
Look.
wind.
Yes, I believe it's wind too. Right? Wow. And will you hold your umbrella in this wind?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you will have umbrella? Why? It's only wind, then wind needs umbrella.
Yeah.
Why?
No.
Okay, if you don't hold umbrella, what will happen?
I'll be so sorry.
तो सिग्नल जो है जिसकी गाड़ी तेज की थी वो ऑलरेडी टर्न रेड। पूरी किधर दे आ रहा केरा, पूरी किधर दे ओरिजिनल किधर दे, वी हैव टू वेट। वो देखो बेल्ट लगा के खड़ी हो गई है। गाइस ये काम चेक कर लो इसके। फिर
Whoops.
पीछे चली गई, पीछे बैठ गई है, देखो ये बैठी है।
Because I'm angry.
वो एंग्री गर्ल जो है ना पीछे बैठी है। और क्यों एंग्री?
Because
Why?
I didn't got anything.
Did not get. You didn't get anything. बेटा ऐसे ना करना, खराब कर रही हो सारी चीजों को। वो देखो। ओके गाइस, अभी ये बहुत गुस्सा कर रही है, इससे हम ब्लॉग नहीं बनाते। ये सो गई है और हम ऐसा करते हैं कि हम ब्लॉग बंद कर देते हैं और और शी इज एंग्री गर्ल नाउ। और वो देखो बिल्ली की तरह आवाज़ें निकाल रही है, शैं शैं कर रही है। वो देखो, ऐसे नहीं करते बेटा, ऐसे नहीं करते ना, अच्छे बच्चे ऐसे नहीं करते। अब हम घर जाएंगे और उसके बाद ना करो ना बेटा। अब कुछ कह रही है मुझे बाहर से कुछ लेकर दो, इसका मूड है कि मैं से कोई टॉय शॉय लेकर दूं। नो इट्स बेटर यू स्टे एंग्री, दैट्स फाइन, इट्स गुड। Then I have solution. I know you know what is solution, vitamin C, right?
I don't care if you give me.
Yeah, when I give you, then you will care next time.
Just buy me something.
What? For example, what?
Like something that I like.
अभी ये आ गई अपने मुद्दे पे, तो मुझे कुछ खरीद के दो। What do you mean? अपने मुद्दे पे आ गया, कहती मुझे कुछ खरीद के दो। What do you mean? What should I buy you?
Anything I like.
For example, what I buy you?
Like some chocolate
Okay, then.
and some.
Okay, I will buy you chocolate. Come here. उठो। अब राजी हो गया कि चलो तुम मुझे चॉकलेट लेकर दो, तो मैं फिर आती हूँ। ओके, राइट?
Maybe I can have snacks first before dinner.
Do you remember I bought some Lay's last night? Do you remember?
Yeah. So
Do you want to
maybe
eat?
I want more ways.
Did you finish that one or not?
I'm not.
Should I buy you more? Even you didn't finish the previous ones?
I think you could just buy me chocolate.
Oh yeah, it's better to buy chocolate. Okay.
Besides,
Which one chocolate? Kinder?
kindergarten and Halloween.
Huh?
2 different kinds, okay?
Why?
One for mommy, one for me.
अच्छा
No, well, both for me.
अच्छा, और कोई हुक्म?
Nothing else.
अच्छा, okay, I will buy you chocolate. Okay.
Bye bye, viewers. So
Uh,
is this? Let's get
Viewers, it's the same baby who was angry girl, and now she became cool girl because she's gonna buy chocolates,
And happy cat.
and
See?
she's happy now.
Happy cat.
Happy cat.
See? Look at my happy cat dance. It's very pretty.
इतना happy. ना बेटा उधर ही रहो, आगे यूं बीच में ना हो कैमरे के। चल बैठ आराम से बेटा।
Mama.
अब पता चले से समझ सारी आती है। सुबह कह रही थी मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही कि what are you talking about? I don't understand. Hey drama. Okay.
Okay. But
Show
then
me.
we wanted to buy another song.
Okay, go. Okay.
Why are
Then-
you copying me, meter? Why are you copying me, meter?
Okay, then ask them to follow and
Subscribe to our Cathy channel.
subscribe to our Catty channel, please, viewers. So we are
And also
gonna...
become a follower. And also become a follower. Also be a follower.
Okay, see you guys. Please like and
Bye-bye,
subscribe. Goodbye.
Bye-bye,
आगे
sir.
शूज पहनो आ जाओ।